Yo guys, welcome to my video. Today, hello guys, welcome to my video. Today, we're gonna be playing Karex Drifting, Karex Drift Racing 2. It's not that 12:30. It's not that another first. And I'm already played this so level 5 now. Yeah, so the online rooms, the online rooms. And the other there's some people that what is my age or me? And in the Philippines, food, babies, the line, ladies, the line. So I don't even need multiplayer. I got thinking online rooms. Exclusive break. Yeah.
Uy, tama na yan. Ano talaga?
And my, video ako eh. May video ako.